How to import audio on Audacity. Hello guys, so in this new tutorial Audacity video I'm gonna show you how to import audio easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Audacity. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go here in the top corner and click on this file, and now all what you have to do is just go down to import, and here you will find audio. Click on it, and here you will be able to import audio. And there is a second way. You can just click on Ctrl plus Shift plus L, and after you click on it, it's gonna be open the same window. Please, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the very end. See you later.